What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I know. So as y'all can see, here's the Maserati. It is finished. Yeah. So there's a lot of things that I missed recording on the car, but let me go through them so you guys can kind of see the finished product. Just picked it up from the frame. Man, turned out amazing. Look at this beauty. Fender got fixed. We'll just need a little bit of Bondo, not much at all, and that's it. It came out awesome. Most likely I'm gonna have to lower the car and put some spacers on if I'm gonna keep these wheels or if I will go a different set of wheels. But first I'm gonna see how the MC front bumper sits in the car. But yeah, she is ready. Look at this. Technically you could drive it like this, it doesn't even look that bad. You know? That's wild. Alright, let's take it to the body shop. Gonna unload the Porsche and take this to Chris. Назад. Good. Here she is, dropping it off at Chris's place to get painted. So due to the car having a lot of imperfections and dents around it, we're probably gonna have to get almost an all-over paint job on it. So yeah, that should be fun. Alright guys, we are at this final stage of this car. A few little things left to do, and one of the most important things to do is exhaust. It sounds way too stock, way too quiet. I don't like that. You guys probably already know by now, I can't keep anything stock. Therefore, with this one, we're going to do a muffler delete so we can open her up so it can sound good. It's going to give it that exotic sound to it. So we're going to go ahead and head to our favorite in the muffler shop right now and let them get to work. Vic, rev it up! Should be good. Alright, that's the stock exhaust sound, and then when we come back, we'll hear the finished product. Alright, let's hear what it sounds like now. As y'all can see, the car has been painted, the wheels were powder coated. In addition to that, the car was lowered, and then we put some spacers on the car. They're pretty big spacers. I'll get the exact confirmation, but I think it's like 25 millimeters. And then we lowered it half an inch in the front, inch and a half in the rear on stock suspension, and it rides amazing. Here's the rear spacer right there. So it sits perfect now. You can see the car looks awesome. Drives amazing, sounds good. We'll get some videos of the car running right now. We're gonna take it up to the mountains, see how it handles. But here's the finished product. I'm just cruising around this bad boy. Like I said, the car drives amazing. It's actually a blast to drive. The power is perfect. It doesn't have enough power to where it throws you around too much, but it's perfect. You get on it and go around turns pretty nice. You can get another close view of the car, and I'll rev it up for y'all. So you guys can hear what this thing sounds like. All right. Maserati, there he is, got his paperwork, he's ready to go. He already gave me the funds for it. There it is. That was a quick sale. He put a radar detector in there. He said he's not sure if he can follow the speed limit on the way home. There it is. So long. Alright, well, as y'all can see, the bay is open and free and ready for its next rebuild. What will we buy next? Alright guys, as you guys saw, the Maserati is gone. Like I said, it was a really quick sale. I threw it up on Instagram and Facebook, and the guy reached out to me last night. He's like, yo, this is what I've been looking for. I want this car. Let me come pick it up, right? So, the car sold for 21. Like I said, probably not a lot of profit there, but you know, profit is profit, you know. Overall, I got to drive the car. It was a pretty cool experience. So, moving on to my next build. Either way, folks, like I said, it wasn't the best, I guess you can say, videos or build, but hopefully you guys got to see a little bit, enjoy a little bit. Either way, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and check me out on my Instagram under auto.rehab. I'll put the link down below so you guys can kind of see my builds, because I post there regularly and a lot more on YouTube. Either way, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.